let me teach you how to use cruise control in a more beneficial way. I know you all of you know, but some might not know. uh, yes, we know don't have roads that we can continue cruising on the same speed, and this car doesn't have a adaptive cruise control. It's a normal traditional cruise control. Like presently I'm cruising at a speed of about 100, and what you need to do is I'm approaching a traffic right ahead. I will just cancel the cruise control and switch it off. Now cruise control is cancelled, my speeds are reducing. Yes, I can get back to normal speeds which I want to control my car in this traffic. Now I'm clear of the traffic. I just need to reset it, not reset it. So what this reset does, it brings back you to the speed that it was set earlier before you cancel the cruise control. But in case I had switched off this cruise control instead, this wouldn't have worked, and I would have again accelerate and set my speeds again. So in a long run, like presently I'm traveling about 2,000 kilometers from Mumbai to Kolkata and via Varanasi. On a long run, it helps a lot, and it does makes you less tired overall. Like presently I'm just grabbing my steering and having my feet ready for the brakes, and I don't have to accelerate or anything else like that. So that's it. I hope it helps.